Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Last year's Galaxy A51 was a solid Samsung branded smartphone for not that expensive of a price, and it was super popular. Now it's time for the sequel, the Galaxy A52. Let's go over its key features and see what's new. The Galaxy A52 brings what Samsung calls a soft edge design. Unlike the glossy back panel of previous generations, this one has a matte plastic finish that feels soft, grippy, and rubbery in the hand. The back also slopes up a bit to meet the relatively flat camera bump, which helps it sort of blend into the rest of the design. The Galaxy A52 brings quite a few upgrades over last year's model. For one, there is IP67 rated water and dust resistance, which we haven't seen on an A-series phone in a long time. And although the screen is very similar to last year's, it's a 6.5-inch OLED with a 1080p resolution and a small punch hole for the selfie cam, this one is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. And not only that, the A52 has a fast 90Hz refresh rate, so swiping is a bit smoother than on a 60Hz display. And the 5G version of the phone has an even faster 120Hz refresh rate. The audio has been improved over last year as well. You still get a 3.5mm jack for headphones. But rather than a single bottom-firing loudspeaker, the A52 has a pair of stereo speakers, with support for Dolby Atmos surround sound. The A52 also takes battery life and charging to a new level over the A51. There's a larger 4500 mAh battery this time around, and support for 25-watt fast charging, which Samsung claims can take the dead battery to 50% in half an hour. But the charger in the box is just a 15-watt one. The cameras have gotten a rework too. The A51's main cam has a higher 64-megapixel resolution, and also has OIS. The rest of the setup looks quite similar though, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 5-megapixel macro cam, and a depth sensor. You also get some new tricks to play with. You'll find quick access to AR effects right in the camera app, made in partnership with Snapchat. And 4K Video Snap lets you take 8-megapixel stills out of your 4K videos. Handy if you want to capture an action shot. And the final upgrade I'll talk about here is the chipset. Rather than an Exynos chip, the new generation brings Snapdragon Silicon. The 4G version of the Galaxy A52 has a Snapdragon 732G chipset, while the A52 5G, we believe, is running on a Snapdragon 750G 5G. Either way, we expect solid performance, and so far games seem to run without a hitch. We'll wrap things up with some features which aren't really different from the A51. Waking up and unlocking the phone is done with an under-display fingerprint reader. Storage is expandable through microSD on top of the 128 or 256 gigs on board. And the phone's interface is Samsung's One UI 3.1 over Android 11. It's very similar to what we've seen on all of Samsung's recent phones. So there you have it guys, the Galaxy A52 is packed with a bunch of upgrades compared to last year, but it is a bit more expensive too. It's starting at around €350 for the 4G version and €430 for the 5G one. Do you guys think the extra features are worth the higher price tag? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you soon with our full review.